Ready for the money shot right here? Boy. All right, welcome. Breakfast Sandies. Can't be beat. Let's get to it. So first what you want to do is you want to make sure that all your ingredients are prepped before you actually go to your pan. So I'm going to get my English muffin ready. I'm going to chop my chives. I'm going to get my mayo done. And yeah, we'll be good to go. Traditionally on this sandwich, there's sriracha mayo. You can go for sriracha if you want to. I wanted to keep it a little bit Canadian, a little bit more local actually, so we have one of my favorite hot sauces of all time. It's a Heartbeat hot sauce, the red habanero one. Far from Canada though too. I will never go back to regular mayo, so I have kewpie mayo, which is Japanese mayo. It's got more egg yolk in it, and it's got a little bit more vinegar inside of it as well. Oh, and in case you didn't know, it comes out in a little star. Don't have to dirty another utensil, I'm just gonna mix it up with a knife here. All right, whip up our eggs. English muffins, perfectly toasted. Do not use your fingers like I'm doing, but this is it. This is the crunch time. This is where it's all gonna go fast. You ready? Eggs in the pan. So notice that my pan isn't on too high of a heat as well. I love doing my eggs nice low and slow. While those are going real quick, mayo and sauce up our beautiful buns. I like putting it on both sides because I like a lot of it. Comes the big part. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our eggs here, flip it up in half like that, kind of like a nice omelet. I like putting the cheese right in the middle like that so that it'll ooze out the sides. Flip it up over top. Oh, this is gonna be a hefty boy. Okay, so we're gonna do some beautiful chives on top. You should probably be having one of our famous Caesars while you're doing this though too. So I mean, if things go everywhere, then they go everywhere. Like I said, so these are caramelized onions that unfortunately I made them the night before. Maybe we'll do a video on that too. Gonna go right on the top. Sandwich her down. There you go. Breakfast Sandy. Think I can flip it in one? Think I can flip it? I think I can do it, all right? Oh, okay, what's it? Nope, what's it? Nope. It's got girth to it. Nope. You know what it is? There's so much butter on the bottom, it doesn't want to.